airports. Every day, 8 million people use them to take to the skies. But how do these intricately designed mini-cities really work? To find out, we've subjected Frankfurt's international airport to X-ray analysis to expose its inner workings. For the first time ever, using state-of-the-art camera technology and computer imagery, we'll see the engineering inside the planes, the machinery,
expect Alpha 28,
and the people. What you experience as a passenger is just the tip of the iceberg. 10:09 p.m. Parts of the airport are shutting ahead of the airport's night curfew. But as the airport prepares to close for flights, its engineering army is on the move. With 4 heavy-duty breakers now digging up an area of taxiway bigger than 2 tennis courts, Senior Project Manager Tobias Lines knows the clock is ticking.
We have a lot of pressure because at 6 o'clock the first plane will go on the surface.
The airport has over 5 square kilometers of paved areas. That's the equivalent of 200 kilometers of 6-lane highway. Tonight, Tobias is replacing 450 square meters of taxiway. And with less than 8 hours until the first long-haul jet rolls across it, the work must be done at breakneck speed. First, he needs to remove 50 centimeters of old tarmac and then dig down another 30 centimeters. Designed for heavy loads, this taxiway will be 50% thicker than a standard road. One of the taxiway's greatest enemies is winter frost. When water in soil freezes, it swells upwards. It's a phenomenon known as frost heave and can crack road surfaces. To combat this, Tobias adds a 30-centimeter layer of gravel. Gravel doesn't retain water, so it keeps ice well away from the surface. Less than 1 hour gone, 360 cubic meters of tarmac has been dug up, and the excavation work is almost done.
At the moment we are on time. Everything's all right. The weather, it's a little bit cold and windy, but all things are fine.
But before the gravel can go down, there's a crucial job to do.
We have to look for bombs because you can be never sure what you will find on the side. In the Second World War, the airport was a target for the Air Force.
Over 2,000 bombs were dropped on Frankfurt in the Second World War. Not all of them exploded. The construction team found one just 3 years ago. If they find one tonight, all hopes of finishing by morning will be blown apart.